This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Joy Catalano. Meticulously maintained one-owner home located in very desirable Ashville Park. This stunning home boasts 4-bedroom 2.5 bathrooms, open floor plan with oversized kitchen island. Primary bedroom is located on the first floor with 3 additional large bedrooms upstairs. Home includes ample storage with an upstairs walk-in storage. 2-car garage with workbench. Dedicated office space is great for those who works from home. Wide front porch to enjoy year-round. Enjoy the community such as walking trails, pool, clubhouse, gym, playgrounds. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below.